Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today I'm going to be reviewing and installing the Rough Country heavy duty front and rear floor mats in black, fitting all 16 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Now this set of mats is going to be perfect for any Tacoma owner out there who's looking to protect the interior of their truck from any mud, dirt, or water with a set of form-fit floor mats that come in at a reasonable price. This rubber floor mat features grooves that are designed to catch and trap any mud, dirt, or water and encase them in the mat, making them easy to hose off later, protecting the interior of your truck from any of those contaminants. Those same grooves are going to give you a nice secure spot to plant your foot when getting in and out of your truck, making sure you don't slip at all. They also feature a nice red and black Rough Country logo on the passenger and driver side floor mat. And that driver side floor mat features some locking grommets right here and right here that mate up to the factory, so you can make sure the one that matters does not move. Now, one thing I do like about this design, and you've seen this plenty of times before, is the rear mat features this over the hump design, which gives you a little bit of extra coverage. Same thing with these fangs up front. It's just gonna give you some more surface area to trap any water and offer the most amount of coverage possible. Pricing for the set that includes the front and rear mat is going to come in at around 150 bucks. Now, if you were looking to save a little bit more, you could pick up just a pair of front mats for around 100 bucks. Now, looking at that price and comparing it to some of the other name brand form-fit floor mat companies out there, it really is a steal. I can't see any difference between something like this and some of those other name brands, so really well done, Rough Country. This is a great product, serves a great purpose, and comes in at a very, very reasonable price for what you get. Also in that price is going to be a limited lifetime warranty from Rough Country. So the install for these is going to be pretty easy, obviously. We're looking at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Should only take you 10 minutes. So without any further ado, let me show you what these will look like installed in your Tacoma. So as you guys can probably imagine, install for these is going to be pretty easy. What we're going to be doing is pulling out the factory floor mats and then replacing them with our new Rough Country floor mats. There is one thing I wanted to touch on, and that's the mounting system on the driver's side. There's a couple tabs in there that we'll have to spin to release, and then we're going to be locking them once our new Rough Country mats are in. But other than that, install is going to be just as simple as that. So we're gonna turn those tabs horizontally to release. Once our mat is out, we're gonna drop in the new Rough Country floor mat, push it down, and then turn those back vertical to lock it in place. Then for the rest of the mats, we're just gonna remove them and drop in our new ones. Just like the passenger front, the rear is going to be the same exact process. And that is going to do it for my review and install of the Rough Country heavy duty front and rear floor mats in black, fitting all 16 and newer Tacoma double cabs. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe. For more videos like this and all things Tacoma, please subscribe to Extreme Terrain.